To battery or not to battery? That is the question. Whether it is better in the mind to suffer the increasing costs of electricity usage, or take up the challenge against the sea of energy plans, and by clever design end them, and to go broke no more. My apologies to Shakespeare. So, what is the question? Whether you're thinking about adding a battery to an existing system, or whether you're going to start from scratch with a brand new solar system and battery at the same time, there's a few questions you need to ask yourself. Do you just want the battery power there for nighttime use? In other words, when the sun goes down, for the battery to take over. Do you want blackout protection? Do you want blackout reserve? Do you want to be able to have your battery charged up by the solar system if the grid goes down during the day? Do you want power available to smooth out peak power surges? Do you just hate the idea of exporting surplus solar production back to the grid for peanuts? Do you want to minimise the effects of export limitation? Do you want to install a battery just because you feel like it's the right thing to do? Are you concerned about the payback period or the return on investment? You can have all of these reasons or some of them, and they're all valid. And the answers you can give really can determine what you do next. In most cases, the financial benefits attributed to battery addition are the major factor in proceeding with the battery installation. And in all cases, the first step is to define what that current situation is as far as electricity costs are concerned. If you have a solar system already, what are the levels of export and import? You need these to determine what is the optimum battery size. And what are you paying for export? And what are you being paid for the feed-in tariff? If starting with fresh, you need to know a little bit more. You need to know what your consumption is, what are you paying for electricity, are you on the best plan, what roof space do you have available, and again, what funds do you have to proceed. There's a couple of ways of going about it. If you're doing from scratch, you can do it all in one go, or put the solar up first and get some data out of the system and to be able to work out really what is the most cost-efficient battery combination you can add. Once you've established all the information you need, you can then proceed with the technical aspects of the installation, such as will the battery system be AC or DC coupled? Will you take the modular approach? What battery brands or systems provide the characteristics of your initial wish list? And what systems fit within your budget? And so on. More details on the technical aspects can be found on our website, solarwiseww.com.au. If you want assistance in working through the various options available, please give me a call on 0427 481822 or call the office on 6971 0084. But don't ask him.